Hi students, uh, again a hearty welcome from the Grace College of Engineering, which is located at Tuticorin, and this is G. Bessia Angel, Assistant Professor at the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today I am going to teach about design and implementation of adder and subtractor. This is our second experiment in linear and digital integrated circuit laboratory, which is having the code of WE8461, and this is a laboratory for our second year students at the year 4th semester. So let us enter into the experiment. So the main aim of this experiment is to design and want to verify the two table of our full adder and full subtractor, half adder and half subtractor. So what are the apparatus requirement is, here we need a digital IC trainer kit. In order to connect the component, we need the patch cards and some of the logical gates we need. So some of the large gates such as 7432, that is OR gate, 7408 AND gate, and 7486 XOR gate, and 7404 NOT gate. So here we want to do the addition and subtraction operation by using our half adder and subtractor respectively. So what the difference between the half adder and full adder is, we have to give the input in zeros and 1 of 2 bit to your half adder. Similarly for our full adder, we have to perform the arithmetic addition for our 3 bit input. So it is considered as a full adder. So let me enter into the circuit diagram. So we need 7486 as a XOR gate and 7408 AND gate to construct a half adder circuit in our breadboard or in our trainer kit. So in order to get the output, that is one high, we need an LED, that is two LED we need. One is for our sum and another one is for carry. So here when you connect the component in our trainer kit or a breadboard, we need the connecting wires. So after that we have to give the input to A and B, that is connected to your first and second pin of your 7486, and you have to take the output from your third pin of your 78846 as a sum. Similarly, you have to get the input for your AND gate from the 5 volt as from your A and B. So after that you get the output at the point of at the pin of 3. So here also we are having a LED to know the status of your carry. Okay, so after that we have to verify by making your input A and B as 0 and 0, so that you can get your output as sum and carry as 0 and 0. Second inputs are 0 and 1 for your A and B respectively. For that input we are getting the sum value, that is 1, but we won't get the sum value, carry value, so it will be 0. So the LED of our sum will glow when you give the input A and B as 0, 1. Similarly, the third operation, that is when you make your A as 1 and B as 0, you are getting the sum as 1. So your LED of your sum will be glow. So your carry will be 0. And for the last operation, we are making your A and B as 1, so that we are having our carry. but your sum is not having any value, that is it is 0. So carry will carry, which is having the LED light, that will blow. Okay, similarly you have to construct the full ladder circuit as per your circuit diagram. Here we record 2 XOR gate and 2 AND gate and 1 OR gate. So this 2 XOR gate will be inbuilt in your single IC of your 7486. So the requirement of this IC will be 7486 here is 1. And similarly you are having 2 AND gate in your single AND IC. So here you are record the IC of 7408 is 1. The requirement of your 7432, that is OR gate, also here 1. So you have to construct like this. So in your trainer kit you have to place all the component in this section, and you have to give the supply as 5 volt like this, and you have to make the ground of all the ICs to ground column, and you have to give the supply with the help of this column, like this column. Okay, so this is a connection example. So when you connect, how you connect means, here we record AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate and XOR gate. These are the gates we have to place in your trainer kit or your breadboard with the help of your connecting material, that is connecting wire or batch cords. Okay, so this is how you can construct a circuit in your breadboard or in your trainer kit. So in order to verify your two table of half adder or full adder. So here the full adder having the 3 inputs, that is 3 bits. So here we are having 3 bits in your input, so we are having 8 inputs. 2 to the power of 3, it will gives out you 8, right? So we are having 8 inputs. Correspondingly we are having the sum and carry output. Okay, so for example I am taking the 8th input. When you give the A, B, C as a high value, then your carry and sum having the value of 1 and 1. So both the LED which is connected at the output pins of our circuit diagram will glow for this input, that is 1 and 1, 1 and 1. Okay, so this is a full ladder circuit. So when you make the input as A, B, C as 1, you are getting the output of your sum and carry as 1. So both the LED in this corresponding pins will glow. Okay, so this is how we can verify the full adder and full half adder. Next you have to consider your half subtractor. Here also you have to construct your half subtracted as per your circuit diagram. So here too we are having the output as difference and borrow. So here we are giving the input to your A and B port terminal of your gates, and here the gates are 7486 and 7404 NOT gate and 7408 AND gate and XOR gate. So here we are using these 3 gates which are showing earlier, which I shown earlier, which was I shown in earlier. Okay, that is AND gate is this one, and OR gate and NAND gate. So you have to place all these gates in your IC trainer kit or your breadboard. Okay, so like your So like your adder, you have to verify your two table of your half subtractor. Here 4 inputs are there, so you are taking 2 bits, so 2 to the power of 2, we are having 4 inputs, thereby we are having 4 inputs. So for that 4 input, you are having your output as difference and borrow. So this is how you have to verify your two table for your half subtractor. Similarly, we need to construct your full subtractor, which is shown in the circuit diagram. So um, here we need 17486 IC and 17408 IC and NAND gate 7404 as one number and 7432 as one. So you have to place all the component in your trainer kit by connecting your with the help of your connecting wires, and the supply will be given as 5, and you have to ground all the chip that is in your 7th pin. Okay, so all the 7th pin, so your 7th pin, all the ICs have the 7th and 14th pin. In your 14th pin you have given your 5 volt supply, and you have to ground the 7th pin of all your IC. Okay, so this is how we have to connect and verify your two table of your half and full adders and subtractor. So for getting a clear idea about the concept of your two table, here I am using the Multisim software to verify the two table. So here I am taking the simulation in your Multisim software for your full adder and full subtractor. So here I am put the tabular column for full adder and full subtractor in this Multisim software itself. So before that, you have to derive the expression for the full adder by using your K map, by mapping the values in your K map. So we are getting the sum, we are getting the expression for the sum, and also we are getting a expression for the carry. Okay, so by that two expression we can construct this circuit diagram. So uh, in order to verify the two table, we need the circuit diagram. Okay, so here 3 bits are given. So I'm just this is a two table for your full adder. So here I'm taking for verifying the two table of this full adder, I'm just taking the input of 0 0 1, the second input I will take. So for that we are having the sum as high value and carry as low value, that is 1 and 0 respectively. So similarly I'm taking the two table of the full subtractor. So I am construct the circuit diagram as per the manual in the software Multisim software. So as per the circuit diagram I am constructed. Here also I am taking the input of 0 0 1 in order to get the output difference and borrow as 1 and 1. Okay, so here I am verifying by run the circuit. You have to press this run button in your Multisim software in order to verify the two table of both full adder and full subtractor. So here I am taking the 0 0 1 and for your full adder and full subtractor. So I'm going to run the simulation. See, here your sum is for your full subtractor both the difference and the borrow will glow. Okay. So this will verify your truth table for the input of 001, which is having the difference and borrow as 1. So your LED here it has glow. And similarly, when you consider the full adder for the input 001, here your sum want to glow. So here when you run it, your sum is glow for your full adder. When you in the running of your simulation, we can change the input. So for that I am changing, I'm set the input for the input as 1 1 and 1. Similarly, making the full subtracted as 1 1 and 1. So for both the circuit diagram, the carry and sum will be glow, and for your full subtractor your difference and your borrow will glow. This is how you can verify your truth table for the full adder subtractor. Similarly, you can verify your truth table for your half adder and half subtractor. So this, you can make this circuit in the trainer kit also with the help of your ICs and connecting wires, in order to verify your truth table of the full adder, full subtractor, half adder, half subtractor. Okay. Thank you, students.